good, y'all? It's your girl Tristan2U, and today I am back unboxing my Boxy charm. Yes, your girl got Boxy charm for the first time. So, Boxy charm costed me $21. It is a monthly subscription box. Okay, so in this one, I got 5. I can't even call these samples. I believe you get full sizes with Boxy charm, but do not quote me. But I want to say yes because I got 5 full samples. Excuse me. So the first thing I noticed when I opened up the box, you get a card that lets you know what's in the box, and it says Rock 2018. So yeah, and up on the card also it tells you how much each product is, and yes, these are full sizes. Okay, so let's just dive right on into it because you ain't here for to hear me rambling. You here to see what's I got. What's I got? My English is all types of shambles. Alright, so the first thing I got is this Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. And this retails for $38. And this is for 1 fluid ounce. So here it is. I'll insert a picture because my lighting is, yeah. So of each product. So 1 fluid ounce, $38. Luminizer Primer, Dr. Brandt. Second thing I got, which I do not have any products by It Cosmetics. So I have It Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, so the color is Universal Taupe. And I can tell you right now, if that's close to the shade, it's not going to work for my brows. My brows are basically, believe it or not, jet black. So it's kind of dark, but I don't think it's going to. It looks gray. My hands are so ashy, but it looks gray. I don't believe that's going to work for me. But I do like that the fact that it comes with a spoolie. But I will keep this because it may come in handy. Number 3. Oh, and this retails for $24. And then I got the Girlactic Matte Lip Paint. Take this out the box for you. Ooh, she's pretty. She's pretty. She's pretty. My nails are horrible, but she's pretty. And a swatch. Smells good. Pretty matte shade. And Girlactic retails for $23. And again, these are full sizes. Alright, so now we have Glamatics. Oh, sorry, this is by Crown Pro. And this retails for $25. And it is eyeshadows, and they are 9 eyeshadows in here. And I'm just going to swatch them real quick. Let y'all see that one more time. So, we're going to swatch Punk. Wild Thing. Black Metal. And this is just me swatching, like literally swiping one time. Rock On. Oh, that's pretty. Rebel. And let me clean my hands off so I can do the rest. Alright, Heavy Metal. And I'm running out of arm space. The Wicked. Glam Rock. And Pop Rock. So those are all 9 of the shades. They're really nice. I might do a look with those. So stay tuned. And then last but not least, this is Per Bronze and Brighten. I'm using Blushing Glow and Afterglow. And that's what I have on. So I'm going to swatch these on my other arm. So this one is Mineral Glow. Mineral Glow. Ooh, okay. Afterglow. Yes. Blind me, baby. Blind me. And then Blushing Glow. Yes, those are gorgeous and pigmented. But yeah, guys, that is what I got in my Boxy Charm box this month. This is the first one I received, and I do see myself purchasing it again. Because full sizes for $21. And basically, shoot, the first thing I pulled out, the primer, it already paid for it. So I'm happy. So you guys check it out. I'm not sponsored, but check it out, and definitely check out this highlighter because baby, she popping. Look at her. I added on both sides. Oh. Hello, girl. How you doing? Alright, y'all. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these type of videos. I try to do them every month, every time I get my subscription box. Sometimes I fail, but lately I've been trying to keep up with them. I've been selecting on my videos, so it's on me. But I'm gonna get better at it. But yeah, you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because it's your girl, itsTristen2U, and I'm out. Peace.